Good evening. My name is Wahid Lutfi. I'm going to show you in this short video how you're going to use the df command on Linux operating system or Unix operating system. So first, let me clear my screen, and I'm going to say what is df. As you can see, it says reports file system disk space usage. What does that mean? So if I just want to just get my disk information in a human readable, I put -h for that output, and I get the entire disk information for my system. But if I'm interested to get data for all the type of file system that is supported, I can do this pipe more, and you can see that it is the file system that it is allowed is basically these ones: extended 3, extended 4, temfs, the squash file system, and so on. So you can also do this same command here, and instead of -t, a lowercase t, you could put extended 3, for example, for just seeing extended 3. And if you want extended 4, you can do extended 4. And then if you're interested in the same command here, last time we typed in, which is this, as you can see, some of them are like a squash file system. So you can just also do that -t lowercase and then say squash file system, and it will just give you those lists. In addition, you can also clear the screen and do that df-h, which is the human readable format. And then you can also get df-k for kilobytes. So that information that was in human readable, that was in gigabyte, that is automatically converting all these size to a gigabyte. Like if df-h, you can see that is automatically transferring that one to 7.8 gig and 1.6 gig. So all of those transfer is done really fast for you. As well as you can also get information, for example, for the inode. The inode of the device itself, or the file system, everything, you get the inode structure, the inode number. And then based on that one, you know that if there's any limit on the number of inodes, that you have reached the maximum or something. So I'm concentrating on the df command at this time. So let's look at some more parameters of df. In addition, you can look at the etcfs file, for example, the content of that file. As you can see, we have extended 3 and extended 4. I could say df-h and then t for extended 3, as well as another t extended 4. So I can get all those parameters in one shot. As well as I can say df-h, for example, /home, I can just say /home, show me this one, or df-/var, or df-h/user, or df-h on the root partition. But you can also, like I did here with the file system type, you can also do a df-h and then human readable, then put the name of the root partition, followed by the var, followed by the home, and followed by the user. Any of those ones, you will get those information as well. In addition, clearing the screen, df-h type, and then this will give you all the information. But you can also use the grep command in addition to what you did here. So I could say, for example, grep for -i extended 4, for example. And if I just say extended 3, I will only get extended 3. But if I just, or I'm looking for extended by itself, then it's going to cover both 3 and 4, because that is a unique 3-letter character that matches on extended 3 as well as extended 4. In addition, you can also do, for example, egrep here, egrep, which is extended grep, and then -i. You can just say, for example, I'm looking for extended 3 or extended 4 or temp fs. Let's see how many of those ones are there. And then I have to start with the double quote. I have to finish it with double quote. That's why the first one I started with double quote here. I did not finish it with double quote. If you decide to start with single quote, then you have to finish it with single quote right here. So single quote or double quote is just putting it as a string, but you're just going to be able to do the multiple kind of comparison on them as well. So for example, let's do another one, clear the screen, and then clear the screen on the Linux side. So df-h and then T, but I'm going to say egrep, extended grep. Grep stands for extended global regular expression print. And then I could just say search for squash, search for extended 3 or 4, and then search for tempfs. So this is a number of them are going to match. You see tempfs is a match, and then the auto coloring is going to help me just say that this is the string that you are looking for, a squash file system, extended 4, extended 3. So if I just clear the screen and just up arrow here, I only want to do extended 4 in here. So with the tempfs, I could do that one, those two. And this bar is like that OR statement and inside the grep statement. The first one is the filter, which is pipe. The next one, once the argument of egrep, it's actually an OR statement here. It says either this or that. So matches those two strings. And then you can see that df has a lot of arguments. You can also look for dash help to see all the parameters for them. And then if you're interested to check out some of the things that I did not show you, like A for all, by default, if you don't do it, it is going to do it. Dash K for kilobyte, dash I not for inode number, which we did, and so on. All of these parameters are just basically allowing you to run those commands. And by default, you get this df-h, that's good enough to see all your file system there. I hope you enjoyed it. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to go to my web university for education videos. Watch these videos and learn from it and help yourself for your school and work. Thank you. God bless you all. Bye.